string formatting in about 2 minutes or so. So we got some variables here, and let's get into it. Print a string. You write the regular string start, then you include the percent sign or modulo plus the s to denote that you're printing a string. Then you pass in the modulo again, and then the name of the variable, and that should print string. There you go. Print integers. Pass in the percent sign again with the d denoter to denote a digit, and same thing here. Pass in modulo and the integer. For a float, pass in f, and then put a float here, and look at that. To round the float, you pass in that, then 0.03. That means you're rounding it down to 3 decimal places. There you go. And remember, it's rounding, so this now becomes 3.46. If you want to add zeros before your value, you add the modulo 0 and then the amount of spaces that the value would hold up, for example. So let's run that. And you can see we got 106 with 3 zeros on the end. If you want to put white space before the number, you could just put 6 and then d. So it's gonna take up this value specifically is gonna take up only 3 spaces out of those white spaces. So let's run that. As you can see, it takes up the last 3 spaces. And if you want the spaces to be after the digits, you do this. If you want to write a percentage and include the percent sign, you first need to declare the float denoter, then 2% signs afterwards. And then you add the percentage here, and that prints out 0.50. Here you go, and the percent sign. If you want to combine multiple in the same string, you can first declare them. So my name is string denoter, and I am digit denoter, years old. And I pass in the modulo and an array with each of the variables. So my name and some int, and that should print my name is Chevyfire and I'm 31 years old. There you go. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.